Welcome. Here we have a really powerful water-based, that means dust-free, vacuum bag-free Hoover system. It's called a Rainbow E2. You can get more details on www.rainbowireland.com. It's for sale. It hasn't been used very much, and it comes with a really powerful motorized brush system. So these wheels turn with the motor. These are level adjustable legs, and you can raise them up or down depending on the surface you're cleaning. This is a universal handle. Will turn very efficient, very tidy. Okay, these are all the accessories. You have a standard floor brush. This is for lampshades and over the door, and then all the usual fellows. Then you have this cable here, which takes all those accessory fittings. This machine retails for €2,000. I'm open to offers. Very good for industrial applications, very good where you have dust considerations, people suffering from asthma. Would be very useful in hotels or hospital settings. This actually came out of a private home, so it hasn't really got very much use. So let's have your offers, please, by return message. Thank you.